Here I demonstrate very quickly how concept with Alias Surface-studio like. This is just based on I created Super Sportscar by importing the design sketches or photos and scaling as well aligning them to the grid would be the starting point. The same software would be used to do reverse engineering when you import an STL file with point cloud data. First step would be orientation into the master coordination system, then create sections in all three directions like x-axis, y-axis and z-axis. From there, the process of creating new NURB surfaces via generation and projection curves would take shape. The process of any digital modeling, whether it is in the early stage for concept modeling or scanning existing clay or other physical models up to Class A modeling, requires extensive experience and iteration. We at Scanprint 3D bring plenty of experience for our clients to the table. Let's talk about your project.